In this video, we will discuss using advanced Endo workflows on the DS5 touchscreen. Workflows allow the user to use predetermined settings at different steps of the endodontic procedure. Begin by lifting the handpiece. Next, switch to Endo mode. To access workflows, press the Workflow button in the center of the screen. Here you can access favorited workflows, custom workflows, and the default workflow library. To select a workflow, first navigate to the desired workflow. Select your desired workflow. The star next to a workflow's name can be used to favorite or unfavorite a workflow. Press the back arrow to return to the advanced Endo screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.